In this video, I will show you how to install the YouTube app in Windows. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, you're going to need Google Chrome, but if you open up a new Google Chrome browser, and what you want to do is come across to youtube.com. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and on this menu, you want to come and hover over the cast, save and share option. Now on this submenu that appears, you're going to see an option to install YouTube. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is come up with a pop-up like this, asking you to install the YouTube app. At this point, what you want to do is click on to install, and what it's going to do is actually install YouTube as its own separate app on your PC. So if I actually come back to my desktop, you can see we've actually got the app here, YouTube app, and we can double click this and it's going to launch YouTube as its own separate app rather than launching it and playing it through Google Chrome. So that is how to install YouTube app in Windows. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.